Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how do I set up WhatsApp disappearing messages. So to do that, let's head over to our WhatsApp application. Once you are there, just head over to any group or any conversation. And once you are there, there you have to write a message, or you can just go to your camera. And once you are there, just click image. And here you will find the option of one's view. So you can send that, and you can also set up disappearing messages for them. So what you have to do is just to tap on the three dots on the top right and then head over to the option of disappearing messages. And here turn on the message timer. You can set it for 24 hours, 7 days, 90 days. So I'm setting up for 24 hours. And yeah, as you can see, you updated the message timer. The new messages will disappear from this chat 24 hours after they are sent, except when kept. Tap to change it. So you can change it from here too. Just turn it off and it is turned off. You're turned off your disappearing messages. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next